Hello friends, welcome to Abhi Anvi tutorials. So lot of people are asking me to make a video on each and underscore in Power Query. Okay, let's see in this video. I have a table employee designation and salary. So I will use each and underscore in this table to understand clearly. So let's take a function, new function. Then I will add a new column in the table dot add column. Okay. So my new column name is new. Okay. Then I will say each underscore. Okay. So let's see what output it will give. So each underscore means here underscore means each row. Okay. So each row is written as a record and displayed here. Okay. For example, if I click here, this is the first row. Okay. And this is the second row. Like that, it will give each row. If you use each underscore means here underscore means each row. Okay. For example, I want to extract salary from the records. Then I will use record dot field. Okay. Underscore salary. Right. So this will give me the all salaries like this. Okay. So you have to remember that when you are using the underscore in the context of table, then it will return each row. Okay. Let's see how to use underscore in the list. In the contents of list, we'll see now using the underscore. So let's take a blank query here. Okay, let's generate a list. Okay, create a list using list dot numbers. Okay, 1 comma 10 means it will generate a list of 1 to 10 numbers like this. Okay, now I will use each underscore for the list. Okay, using the list transform function. List transform. Okay, source. Okay, each underscore. So we are using underscore in the context of list, then it will give each element of the list. Here underscore means each element. So there will be no change in the output. Okay, so it will be like this 1 to 10. So for example, I am using each underscore plus 2. It will add 2 to the each element of the list. Okay, so like this you will get the output. So you have to remember that underscore in the table context means each row, and underscore in the list context means it is each element. Okay guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel Abhi Anvi Tutorials for more such amazing videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.